Hello and welcome to Sienna Racing. Today we're going to be working on this red E36 325i. What we're doing is we're putting the good old short shifter in it, trying to bring these throws down from 4 inches to like 1 inch. So it feels nice. I did the shifter rebuild kit, but just want a little bit shorter throws. First, you gotta start with taking the shift knob and boot off. So you just pull the shift knob straight up, you pull the boot right off, pull a little foam insert off, and then this little sealer for the trans tunnel, you can either pull it straight off or you can put a little bit of PB blaster if yours is really cracked so you don't destroy it. And then once you got that off, we're gonna jack her up and get underneath and get off that connecting rod. My new shifter, gonna be a good old Amazon special, 20 bucks, straight from China. Seems pretty good build quality, pretty nice and heavy. Just think I'm gonna have to shave down that bushing a little bit for it to fit. And you're gonna go and wanna get yourself a pair of these little C-clamp pliers because they made the C-clamp like 3 sizes too small. So you're gonna wanna get that. And once you get your car up in the air, I'm gonna head under here. And we are gonna be taking off this selector rod clip right there. That'll let us pull the pin out from the selector rod. Once we get up in there, you want to kind of fish your way. Oh God, from the other side, the exhaust is hot as shit. It's that clip. All right, guys, got this clip off. Pretty much all you do is you pull in that little open area. It comes sliding right out. And then we're gonna grab the selector rod. Hopefully it comes out nice and easy. And then like that, the selector rod is out of the old shifter, just like that. Now we go back up top, spin the old little C-clamp on the top out so we can get the old shifter right out. So here's a better look at that little clip. Goes around that selector rod joint. Get that down here. So now we gotta turn this little plastic ring. Mine's poly, but stock one is plastic. We gotta turn it about 90 degrees. You can either do it with the pliers or screwdriver. And once you get it 90 degrees, it should just come right up and present itself. If it's ready, and then comes right out. So that's the old one. You can see shift linkage on it. The pivot point's about maybe a centimeter, not very far pivot point to the connecting linkage, but we're gonna swap this out with the new one. Let's feel the difference. All right, a little test fit. Haven't pushed all the way down because I don't want to get the lock down there, but took a little bit of a belt sander to the bushings because they're about 2 inches too wide. Then now we're going to sand it down so they're nice and smooth. Get back to you with the final product. All right, now that we got that sanded down a little bit more, we're going to put her down in here. Not quite sure how this goes in, but it might just sit like that. retaining clip holds it still. I'm gonna go under and see how it's looking. All right, we test fit the little pin through the bottom, and the throws are feeling real short. Feels real nice. Got to put the retaining clip on the cup and on the shifter linkage. All the gears seem good. It's a little bit more effort to get in, but it's super notchy. But if you throw the shifter knob on, it'd feel pretty sweet. Oh yeah. Oh, this is what you want. Oh, it's really not that much harder to get into gear. Oh, guys, this might be mint. All right, we'll see when it's fully installed. All right, guys, here's the last little bit to that short throw shifter install. So there's a clip over here. You can see it. Let's see.
Poopy semen.
So there's a poopy semen clip right there that holds the shift linkage into the bottom of the shifter.
What's up, guys?
And there will be a clip that looks just like this on the opposite side of this that you have to use those pliers for. And it seems installed now, so now we're just gonna do the reverse of taking everything out. Throw the little poopy cup in. Let's see if we can get this. Get a hand, Sir Braden. Throw a little poopy cup back in here.
Poopy cup. Oh, I'm upside down. There we go. Poopy cup.
So now that you got the cup installed, you just want to make sure. So now we have a little rubber grommet all sealed with the trans tunnel. I'm going to throw our foam back in. Perfect. Now shift boot.
Shift cub.
Uh-oh. All right, now the shift boot goes back in here. Perfect. All right, guys, this is a little review from 3 months later.
3 months later.
It's gone through all the trials and tribulations I've put it through. The throws are nice and notchy, about an inch from gear to gear. And it's cleaned up a lot of the slop in the shifter, so it feels awesome. Now I was taking off my D&D performance. Just a little. I also installed my aftermarket radiator and fan, but main show of this car is this nice $20 short shifter. I'd recommend it. Go buy it. You guys are the best.
Drop a like.
Drop a like. Follow the socials.
Drop a like.
See you later, Sienna Racers.